right, class. Miss Weeks here, and I am going to show you how to take your template and make it look like a normal paper. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to open up your document, okay? And so what I want to do is I'm going to delete things that you're deleting basically things that I wrote that don't belong in your paper. So most of the highlighted stuff. Now, some of you guys did write and highlight, but I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna highlight it, and I'm going to push the enter button or the delete button. Okay. Hopefully this will work. It's going very slow. So it deleted that. Then I'm going to, and I wouldn't do like large sections at a time. I would just do small sections. And so again, I'm going to highlight and delete. I'm going to highlight and I'm going to delete. I'm going to highlight. And I'm going to show you, let's say if you accidentally mess up, what happens. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this. It should highlight. Whoop. Computer is running very slow. And delete. Now let's say that I accidentally delete something that I didn't want to. Okay, I'm going to show you what to do in a moment. So let's say I get down to this claim. Okay, and let's say that I accidentally do this. I accidentally delete. Oh no, there's stuff there that I was supposed to have. What you want to do is you want to go to this button right over here on the left-hand corner. It says undo. I'm going to click that and it will undo. And I can continue to click on undo until, like, if I had deleted, I'm like, oh man, I deleted this, this, and this. You can keep clicking that and it will undo all of what you have already done. So I'm just going to continue to delete this. And then what I want to do is I need to make this into a paragraph. And I missed the G in there too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each section and I'm going to backspace it until it is with the rest of the paragraph. Okay. All right. And so what I want to do right here, I'm going to go back up to the top. And in order to make this a paragraph, I'm going to indent. All right. And I'm going to do this with each section. And you know that it's a paragraph because each paragraph is a different color. Okay, please remember that. Each paragraph is a different color. Okay, and so again, I'm just going to continue on. I'm going to highlight and delete until everything is gone.